Hello friends, today we have something exciting and eco-friendly to share with you all. Are you tired of using single-use plastic bags for your groceries, only for them to end up polluting our beautiful planet? Well, don't worry. In this video, we will introduce you to wonderful world of reusable bags for groceries. They are not only stylish but also make a positive impact on environment. So let us dive right in and explore the benefits of these amazing bags. Friends, every year, millions of single-use plastic bags are used worldwide, contributing to pollution and harming wildlife. We all know how dangerous plastic is for our environment, and it's time we take responsibility for our actions. Thankfully, there's a simple yet effective solution. Reusable bags are answer to our environmental vows. These bags come in various sizes, shapes, and colors, making them not only practical but also trendy. And the best part, you can use them over and over again, significantly reducing plastic waste. Now let's discuss advantages of reusable bags. Let me tell you why these bags are game changer. First and foremost, they are incredibly sturdy and can carry much more weight than those flimsy plastic bags. No more worrying about your groceries tearing through the bag on your way home. You might be thinking, are these bags are very expensive? Not at all. While reusable bags might cost a bit more upfront, they save you money in long run. Imagine the number of plastic bags you would buy in a year compared to investing in a couple of reusable bags that can last for years. Now let's talk about environmental impact. By using these reusable bags, you become a superhero for the environment. You are helping to reduce plastic pollution, protecting marine life, and conserving natural resources. It's a small step for us, but giant leap for Mother Earth. Stylish and customizable. Gone are the days of boring shopping bags. Reusable bags come in a plethora of designs, patterns, and materials. You can even get them customized with your favorite quotes and the pictures. Who said being environmentally conscious can't be fashionable? So here's the challenge for you, our amazing viewers. Switch to reusable bags and encourage your friends and family to do the same. Share this video with them and let's create a ripple effect of positive change together. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, every small step we take matters when it comes to protecting our planet. Let's be responsible consumers and make them to switch to reusable bags for the groceries. If you want to buy these reusable bags, then you can mail us on below email ID or you can call or WhatsApp on below contact number. Together, we can make a difference. Friends, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to stay tuned for more eco-friendly tips and inspiration. Until next time, let's go green and stay fabulous. Thank you.